Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jay Makori, and if you've not subscribed, please do so. So today I'm going to show you on how to slim your face. If you have a round face and you want it to look more slimmer, let's do it with the power of makeup. So let's start it. Like, I've already done my makeup, like I've done my eyebrows, my my under eye concealer, so it's just like contouring and all that. So let's do it, guys. So for this case, I'm using a powder contour from Pharmacy number 16. Take your contour brush. As you can see, it's small and fluffy. So we are like contouring the cheekbones. We want them to pop out so small, like the face to look. So when you're doing this, you see this, you start it from your ear. You start it from here, Don't start from here. I don't know this part of the ear is called what. So don't start from here. You start it from there. Like you just contour there. So that's what we're doing. And I'll draw just a line using my contour powder. And you see, I'm bringing this line up to my lids. Remember, I didn't start from there. I start from, the start of my ear. The same way to this side. Like, just mark where your ear starts from and bring that line. And I want my second chin to disappear. I also do the same. I'll not do down, like, I'll do it up. And I want my chin to look a little, long. I'll highlight it. Remember, I'm not just going all over blending on. I'm just concentrating on my chin. And you can see, it has already created that shape. It looks thin. So I'm going to take my contour brush and just blend that contour line in. And when doing this, use a circular motion and a very light hand. And I'm not contouring like coming up. I'm contouring, with circular motion. Use a light hand. And not forgetting my forehead. So next I'm going to take my loose powder, and for my loose powder I'm like using it going out, not coming in, and just I'm doing it beneath the contour liner. So I'm not baking. I'm going to take my blender just to absorb the too much contour on my forehead. Put it in. This beauty blender I use it for doing my foundation. And I'm going to clean all this using my face powder, and I'm using a Fit Me powder number 330, the shade 2. And I'm doing this with a fluffy brush just to blend everything in. I just try to clear that contour line close to my lips using my face powder. Like you just see, first my cheekbones look so slim. Let me set my makeup, and I'm using an oil control matte setting spray. With this, just everything to remain in place. So after setting, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones like here. I just want them to be like. So I'm using Light strobing powder to highlight them. And when highlighting, you see just that line on your contour, the line you started just there on your ear. Do the highlighter, like draw the highlighter on top of it, or place the highlighter just on top of it. Forgetting to highlight her chin. Also like highlighting my forehead. Bold cheekbones. So I'm taking a fluffy brush. Like I don't like that, just that straight highlight liner. And I'll use my setting brush, I want that glow. I started my chin. Come to my forehead and my cheekbones. How's it? Look at how slim my face look, And before I forget, always remember to use a face powder under your chin to clear that contour line as well. And there we are, as simple as that, you're done with a slim face. Look at how they popped out well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, like it. Bye bye, see you in my next video.